If you've lost access to your TikTok account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process without needing those codes. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you're already logged out, tap on the login button to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option. Tap on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. You will be presented with various recovery options. Select the method that you have access to, such as email or phone number linked to your account. If you can't access these, proceed to the next step. Step 4. Use Account Recovery Form. If you cannot receive verification codes, scroll down to find the option for Account Recovery Assistance. Fill out the account recovery form with the necessary details, including your username, email, and any other information that can help verify your identity. Step 5. Wait for TikTok support. After submitting the recovery form, wait for TikTok's support team to respond. They may reach out to you via email to verify your identity and assist you in regaining access to your account. By following these steps, you can work towards recovering your TikTok account even without verification codes. Be patient during the process, as it may take some time for support to respond.